All right, guys, we just got our new Tumi Morrison bag from Fashion Valley Mall here in San Diego, and we are gonna go ahead and do a bag reveal for you guys. So you see, it comes in this nice large bag. Felt pretty nice carrying it out of the mall. Felt like I had some money, or at least I did. Comes with a really nice dust bag, I believe they call that. So if you're not using it, I plan on using this thing for work. So here we go, guys. This is 100% cowhide leather, black. I didn't get it embossed yet because initially I wasn't 100% sure I was going to keep it, but the more I think about it, I'm really excited about it. So, all right, here we go. It comes with all this kind of packaging on it, which we're gonna go ahead. You can tell this thing is fresh out of the manufacturer. And then we also came with some leather conditioner, which we'll get to that. Didn't come with it. I actually had to pay an extra 12 bucks, but all good. That's a reasonable fee. So if you'll see here, this thing is 100% leather all around, really nice. You know, originally I was looking at the Louis Vuitton Michael bag, which in terms of dimensions I would say is pretty similar. But, you know, once you really look at price and functionality, I mean, this thing just blows that thing out of the water. This is more functional. An issue I ran into because, so I'm an accountant by trade. You know, I carry my laptop everywhere I go. And, one of the main things, and I found this a lot, we were looking at Louis Vuitton bags, we were looking at Gucci bags, and I have a 15-inch laptop. Didn't fit in most bags that we looked at, but as you can see here, slides in perfectly, and look how nice the inside of that is. It is just beautiful. Laptop fits perfectly. And then, all right, let's go in the front here. Let's take some of this packaging off. See, real nice Tumi logo there on the clasp. Really beautiful. Let's see if I can get it open. Hopefully it works. But they do have a return policy, so if anything is wrong, I can take it back. So in addition to the laptop fitting quite well, let's see if the power cord should fit. And if you look in here, I mean, it's just a really nice cloth. I mean, this thing is really, really well designed. See, this fits. Power cord fits right in there. Mouse. All right, and it even has some little pen holders. I actually have a couple pens. I just emptied out my old backpack, and I'm just basically transferring everything from the old into the new. So you'll see mouse, everything fits in there perfectly, clamp shut. I also even have work documents, because usually all I carry with me is my laptop and whatever work I'm working on at the time. Usually just a handful of papers. And as you can see, the main pouch, I mean, this thing is just gorgeous. Documents fit perfectly. Has a nice little additional pack here, so you can save some stuff. Oh, look at that. Some Tumi stuff. And I'd say overall, really, really happy with the bag. As you can see, everything fits perfectly. It's beautiful. And there's also a little hidden pouch here. And there is, I believe it's suede in there. Where's my phone at? Oh yeah, we're using my phone to make the video. But anyway, it's a perfect little phone pouch, suede. Fit an iPhone in there perfectly. I mean, this thing is just the best. And it was on sale out the door with the leather conditioner. It was like $827, I think. So compared to the Louis Vuitton we were looking at, after tax it would have been about $4,000. So in terms of money that you're gonna pay, I mean, I don't think you can pretty much beat the Tumi product. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys.